In today's video, we'll be repairing the iPhone 6s that will be needing a new screen replacement. First of all, you will switch the phone off. Then you will need to unscrew the two pentable screws. Once that's done, you will need to lift up the screen. Then you will need to remove the two Phillips screws and remove off the metal plate. Once the metal plate is off, then you could disconnect the battery. Once you've disconnected the battery, you will have 4 Phillips screws to unscrew at the top of the phone. Then you could remove the metal plate. Once that's off, you can start to disconnect the connection holding the screen down. Then you will have 3 Phillips screws to remove. Then you could gently remove off the EP speaker and the front camera. So then you can start to remove off the screws. At the bottom of the screw you will have 3 Phillips screws that you will need to remove. As soon as they're off, you could take off the metal plate. Then you will have 6 Phillips screws, 3 on each side, that you'll need to remove. Then you could go ahead and remove off the metal plate. Once that's off, you could disconnect the home button and remove it off the older screen. Then you could get your new screen and remove off the plastic. Once the plastic is off, you could then install the home button. Once the home button is connected, then you can start to screw back on the metal plate. Then you could put back on the metal plate and screw on all 6 screws back on. could grab back your front camera and install it back onto the screen. Then you could get the earpiece speaker and connect it up. Then you could take the metal plate that holds down the camera and screw back on the screws. Once everything is back how it's supposed to be on the screen, then you could connect up the screen back onto the phone. Then you could grab your metal plate and screw it back onto the phone. Once that's done, you could connect back up your battery and put on the metal plate and screw back in the 2 Phillips screws. Then you could gently push back in the screen into the frame. And screw back in the 2 pentable screws. Now the phone is working as new. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and share.